Hi, I'm going to show you how you can find the unique item in the Google Sheet. Very easy. Let's say here is a list of multiple items. They have the repetition duplicate items here. So if you want to find the unique item, just you have to write the equal sign and write unique. First parenthesis and select the entry. So you can select exactly how many entry you have, or you can select blank item as well. So I'm selecting more. Just close the parenthesis and enter. So now you will see only the unique item is here from this list. So if you give the bigger range, so if you put more entry here, see E come here, so something like this way you can find the unique item very easily.